Hi! Welcome to my channel. I'm Yu. Halloween is just around the corner. Today we're making a super cute Halloween-themed keycap together. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with a quick sketch. Since it's Halloween, of course we can't skip pumpkins. My idea is a tiny black cat carrying a playful little pumpkin on its back. It's like two besties heading out to celebrate together. I want the pumpkin to look a bit cheeky with two tiny fangs. I think it'll be so fun. After sketching, I also made a few prototype versions to compare. Honestly, I can't decide which one looks best yet. What do you guys think? Should I maybe do a little giveaway with these? Let me know in the comments. Alright, let's get into sculpting. Today I'm using Fimo clay and some glitter clay from Sculpey. I use these 2 brands for most of my pieces, even prototypes, because they keep the sculpting feel consistent and reliable. For anyone new to clay, Fimo is a bit firmer, so it holds details really well, while Sculpey is softer and easier to shape. I like mixing them depending on the vibe I want. Before sculpting, I already prepared the base. This is an XDA profile keycap that fits Cherry MX switches. For the design, I'm covering it with sparkly black clay to form the kitty's body, smoothing it neatly over the keycap for a clean foundation. Here comes the pumpkin part. First, I roll the clay into a little ball, press it down slightly so it looks chubby, and place it right on the cat's back. Aw, it already looks like the pumpkin is getting a free ride. Then I carve in the grooves and smooth the edges so it feels more like a real pumpkin. Bit by bit, it's coming to life. Honestly, it looks like 2 buddies heading out trick-or-treating together. Next up, carving the eyes. To be honest, I've never carved a real pumpkin before, so this feels extra fun. I always love watching families make their cute jack-o'-lanterns. Adding a little smile here. It's already looking mischievous. Let's give this cheeky pumpkin 2 tiny arms so it looks like it's hugging the cat underneath. It's such a sweet detail, but I need to be careful or the clay might slip off. It looks like it's holding on tight during the ride. Time to give the kitty a face. Big, round, green eyes to make it full of life. And, of course, 2 tiny ears on top. Aw, instant cuteness overload! Since the carved lines might fade once I coat it with resin, I'm brushing some brown color into the eyes and mouth so the features stand out more. It also adds a warmer, playful expression. 2 little fangs to make it mischievous, and just for fun, tiny bear-like ears. Ta-da! All ready for baking. Everything looks so cute together already. I can't wait to see them afterwards. Look at them in the oven! They look so funny, like they're having a tiny sauna party. After baking, I'm adding the final touches, decorating a bit more to make them even cuter, and trimming off any extra clay. This is the last cleanup step before resin. I'm so excited for the shiny finish. Final step, resin coating. This part's my favorite because it makes everything glossy and durable and really brings the details to life. Since I've got resin ready, I'm also giving a coat to this little pumpkin bunny from my keychain design. Want me to make a full video on this one too? Let me know in the comments. Time to cure them under the UV lamp. Let's shine. Ta-da! All done. The resin made them so glossy and magical, I'm super happy with how they turned out. These 2 are definitely joining my keycap collection. If you'd like to see more videos of my other creations, drop your requests in the comments. And if you want to adopt one of these cuties, check the link in the description. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It really gives me the motivation to make more. See you soon!